Okay, in this example, it says I deposit $600 in a savings account that earns 5.5% interest per year. Okay, so the initial value of my savings account is $600. That's how much money I start out with in my savings account. Do I expect that this savings is going to grow or shrink? Well, assuming I don't take any money out of my savings account, then I expect that my money in my savings account is going to grow. It's got a 5.5% interest rate. The rate of growth, well, this one's pretty easy. It actually tells me right there in the example, I'm earning 5.5% interest every year. That's the rate of growth. I'm growing, my money is growing by 5.5% every year. All right, so this is my growth rate. All right. If we express this growth rate as a decimal, then it would be, well, now again, I remember that in order to change a percentage into a decimal, I just need to move my decimal point over 2 places. I need to move it to the left 2 places. So if I move this to the left 2 places, then my growth rate is going to be 0.055. So now that I have my growth rate expressed as a decimal, I can now calculate my growth factor. And I remember, again, from my notes, the growth factor is equal to 1 plus my growth rate. And my growth rate is expressed as a decimal here. I've already got it expressed as a decimal, so I just need to say 1 plus 0.055, and that equals 1.055. And again, now I have everything I need to write my exponential equation, my exponential function in standard form. Standard form of an exponential function, y equals a times b to the power of t. And I know what my a value is, that's my initial value, 600, times b, which is my growth factor. My growth factor is 1.055 to the power of t. And now I have an exponential function in standard form, and I can use this function to calculate the value of my savings for any particular time. And I'm going to let you do those, and we'll see if you get the same answers that I did.